Meet Flow OS, the world's first cooperating system, a digital ecosystem that enables true human cooperation. Flow OS is based on a unique proprietary theoretical framework with endless scalability that can model and enable any social interaction in a 100% customizable digital environment. A festival, for example. A very human and complex offline festival called Unfinished. Part festival, part talks, part art, part undefined. It is an experience in constant evolution, renowned and acclaimed internationally for the quality of its in-person gatherings. So, how did we transform the entire Unfinished experience into a digital framework? Welcome to Unfinished 2020. Brand new home specifically developed within the Flow ecosystem. We call it the Flow Base, the gateway to all the interactions needed to facilitate one seamless and meaningful experience for the Unfinished Festival. We built a main stage with the full-screen immersive experience where we could see and feel the emotions of other participants. We could applaud, like, love, comment, discuss, debate, or even raise our hand to interact with speakers directly. We sat in dining halls where we could share a digital lunch and new ideas with fascinating strangers. We joined workshops and custom networking corners and even bumped into each other in our courtyard, all thanks to completely unique and customizable functionalities. We call them artifacts, specially designed tools that create valuable and exciting experiences for all participants, according to your individual needs. Live Q&A, matchmaking conference, icebreaker, voting, interactive video, and the list of artifacts will only grow. Just say the word. After 1 week of Unfinished, filled with extraordinary interactions, we are humbled by the outstanding results. Hours upon hours of watched content, thousands upon thousands of new meaningful interactions for participants and speakers alike. This is the power of Flow OS, the world's first cooperating system. Just describe your event or party or big festival and we will make it possible. And so much more you never imagined was possible.